Well, we made it home. It was the scariest drive I think I have ever had in my life, and it made got some big snowflakes today. It's pretty nasty out, but gotta get the mail anyway and then go grocery shopping. Wearing Grant's boots. Yuck. And Grant's dad's gonna snowblow.
Ah, yeah.
Fun, fun, fun.
Wonderful. My favorite month of the year.
Thanks. Oh. Big sissy snuggle time. So cute. Yuck. It is really, really gross out. And we have a birthday party to go to tomorrow. So I guess it's supposed to be really nasty. Well, starting like an hour ago until 7 o'clock tomorrow night, and the birthday party is at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon in Ludington. So my mom's like, I think you guys should come spend the night so you're not driving in the really, really nasty part of the day tomorrow. So we might be going to stay at my mom's house, bring Bella with, and all the girls. And I mean, Grant's on a business trip, and my dad's still on a business trip, so why not, right? But yeah, it is just, I don't even think you can tell in the camera how nasty it is, but my phone is or my phone, my camera's pretty wet from the snow already, just being out here the short amount of time. But oh my goodness gracious, look at all this snow. And that's from today, because this, like, back here gets snowblowed. Oh my, look at this big icicle hanging from the tree. That's so weird. Hey! 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 What are you doing? But I think I'm gonna go back inside. You wanna go inside, Bella? Wanna go inside? Wanna go inside? We're gonna go back inside. We're gonna go inside. It's nasty out here. On our way to Grandma's house. I'm parked right now because I'm not driving. And I'm still in our driveway. Ava and Aubrey and Bella's in the way, way back.
I got
Eminem. I don't know if you can see her or not, but we're to Grandma's. Can you see all the snow on the road? I don't know if you can even tell.
Go!
There's a lot of snow on the road though.
So, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like almost blizzarding back here.
It's what?
It's almost blizzarding. Yeah. And there's Bella in the back. I don't know if you can see her very well. These Aubergine Klein.
Aubergine, the beauty queen.
And
Is Emma sleeping?
nope. Just fine.
She's just fine.
And there's Indicator Mace Potato, Lana Booga Boogie. And we are going to spend the night at Granny's house.
You are so cute.
Because we're going to Brighton's birthday party. And it's so icky out there. And it's going to be even ickier tomorrow, so we're going to stay at Grandma's house because Grandma's house is the closest to
Brighton's house.
Brighton's house.
Are you going to stay there?
Yeah, we're all staying there.
I would love that.
I gotta get you out your seat, huh?
pal.
Emma's petting Bella. We're trying to.
First start in the morning, and I know you'll make your wish come true. I'll close up your shop. Really?
Are you being gentle? Are you being gentle on Bella?
Again, what are friends for?
Yeah. Oh, Bella says hi, friend. Oh. Hi, friend. You're so cute.
That's sad.
Here, Hobbs, Daddy's talking to you. She's getting water.
Hey,
Say hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Oh. What? Uh-oh, it's
you're all
frozen.
big.
Max. Look at the puppy. He likes you.
He wants to give you kisses. He wants to give you kisses.
I'm gonna sleep in. Doesn't want to wake up. It is so tiny. Do you like that puppy?
We have a tiny puppy now.
Oh, look at you. So cute. Oh. We have a cool Minecraft themed birthday party, huh? Look.
So that night ended up.
That's cool.
For family, and then one other lady. And so it was kind of neat.
You don't want any snacks, do you? You got some snacks?
And then two step under bunny that bunch of software. So she was like, we didn't bother buying sweet pass because
What kind of juice is that? Apple juice?
and so we just focused on that. Andrew didn't get
Cool.
any further. He went
Oh,
on
it's,
one.
I know, it's the apple juice,
Oh,
but
cool.
they peeled off. Oh, they peeled off the peels because see.
I'm good. Thank you. Are you eating your...
Can you hold this for me?
You don't want anything?
So no one drinks it.
You don't want Minecraft?
right there? Hey, you! Hey, you! To you. Happy birthday, dear Brayton.
Smile.
Happy birthday to you. You. It's so nasty out there.
And here is our drive home from Brayton's birthday party.
Can you see?
Not
see- yeah.
very pretty.
Can you see in front of us at all?
Not really.
I can't. I don't even know if I'm on the road.
This is not good.
Love Michigan driving.
Well, we're gonna concentrate on the road, so bye-bye.
Well, we made it home. It was the scariest drive I think I have ever had in my life, and it made it worse, the fact that I had Ava, Emma, and Aubrey with me. I was like, oh, my babies are in the back seat. But I couldn't see, like, I know there was a car in front of me, and it was like not even one full car length in front of me. I know I should have been behind, like, farther back, but I could barely see their taillights. It was horrible, but we made it home. I said like 1.5 million Hail Marys on the way home, and it was like the coolest thing because like the snow kind of I don't know how you say, like I don't know, like separated, not really like separated, but you know, so that way we could see the road. It was like the coolest thing. But yeah, we just did Ava and I did a whole bunch of Hail Marys, so But I forgot to show you earlier what Grant got me. So it's waiting on our doorstep. At least still in Pennsylvania. So I got some Sherry's berries for Valentine's Day, and I already actually dug into them, and so did Ava and my mom. But yummy. Oh, Bella. Silly dog. Don't those look good? Oh, they are so good. I'm so excited. Thank you, Grant. I am so excited. I love chocolate covered strawberries. Oh. But yeah, so we are home, and I am so thankful for that. If it's this bad again out tomorrow, then we're going to be staying home again. But Ava and I were supposed to go out for Valentine's dinner because Grant's gone, so I don't have anybody to go to Valentine's Day dinner with. So I asked Ava if she'd be my Valentine and we could go out to Valentine's Day dinner. And she said, yeah, and she's all excited about it, but I don't want to go out. I mean, restaurants are actually closing down today. The place that we were going to go is closing at 4 because it's so nasty out that they don't want to, they know nobody's going to come, so they're closing. So hopefully it's better tomorrow and we'll be able to go out tomorrow because that'd be really sad. What are you doing, Bella? What are you doing? Yeah, so hopefully tomorrow we'll be able to go out to Valentine's, post-Valentine's dinner, I guess it would be. I don't know. But yeah, so Grant's coming home next Friday. I'm so excited. Look at Bella standing looking outside. Hi friends, I like to play in the snow. I like to play in the snow. Well, it's the day after Valentine's Day, and look, it's much better out today. Not quite so snowy. I can actually see in front of my car. But we're headed grocery shopping right now, and then Ava is going to be my Valentine's date. Where are we going?
House of Flavors because I chose House of Flavors.
Yep, I told her she could pick wherever she wanted to go, and that's where we'd go. So we're gonna go grocery shopping, and then we're going to go on our day after Valentine's date. And actually, House of Flavors closed at 4 o'clock yesterday. The movie theater shut down. They closed down the main roads. They pulled plows off the roads. Oh my gosh, it was so nasty out yesterday, but it's not today, so today's gonna be a good day. Where's the baby in the shopping cart? Oh, there she is. Hi, sunshine. Oh goodness, bad cough. Oh, bad cough. Such a bad cough. I usually use these carts that they have at Meijer, where there's like a little bench seat thing, and part of it folds down for when people have car seats. But they were all out of them today. Apparently, everybody in this area went grocery shopping today because there were no carts. So I had to wait and get a cart, and then I had to go in the little back part, and so then there was no room for groceries, as you could probably see. I'm like, where am I supposed to put the groceries? Because I read in several places that you're not supposed to put car seats on the upper part because the little latch that attaches to the base in your cars actually gets like loose or ruined or something like that. So it's not as safe. So they say not to put your babies in the car seats, like in that upper part. So I put her in the bottom part and had hardly any room for groceries. She was pretty much buried. Poor little baby. I didn't have anything on her, so that's good. But yeah, it was, I didn't like shopping without one of those big old honking carts. If I would have known they weren't going to have the carts, I would have probably brought the Moby wrap so I could have had her in that and had room. But that's okay. I made do, and I got the groceries that we needed. I'm probably going to end up having to go back to the store because I probably forgot stuff, but you know how it goes. What did you order? Ava?
Piggy dinner.
No, what did you order for dinner?
Chicken strips and apple juice.
And apple juice and applesauce too? Apple juice, applesauce. Look, we've got half people.
Megan said that's what they do to kids who don't listen.
Is that true? So I already ate my cherry. A little stinker.
I love cherries.
What kind did you get?
and bubble gum.
Bubble gum.
I think that they accidentally gave me Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. And she's got fudge on her spoon because she took a bite of mine.
Are you good? Yeah.
Yes, I let you have a bite of mine.
I don't like it though.
No. Because you're crazy.
It's Eskimo kisses.
Yep. Couldn't finish mine. She couldn't finish hers. We got Grandma one. Put this on here so I won't forget it. Hokey pokey. Say, I'm gonna go ahead and end today's vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hey, Boo, you're so cute. What are you doing?
This is your thing for your birthday.
Oh, thank you.